Chemistry is the study of molecules and their transformations, emphasizing the vast array of molecules built from a finite number of elements fundamental to various life aspects. India's ancient contributions to chemistry include advancements in metallurgy, medicine, and alchemy, showcasing a rich history of chemical knowledge. During the medieval period, Indian scholars made significant strides in perfumery and textile dyeing, advancing chemical knowledge in these fields. Modern Indian scientists continue to innovate in chemistry, making significant discoveries that impact various scientific and industrial areas. Chemistry is pivotal in medicine for drug development and understanding drug interactions within the human body, enhancing healthcare outcomes. In agriculture, chemistry is essential for creating fertilizers and pesticides, improving crop yields, and ensuring food security. The industrial sector relies on chemistry for efficient manufacturing processes, materials science innovations, and sustainable energy production. Solids have a definite shape and volume, with particles tightly packed and vibrating in fixed positions, maintaining structural integrity. Liquids take the shape of their container while maintaining a definite volume, with particles that can move around each other fluidly. Gases have no definite shape or volume, with particles moving freely and occupying all available space, adapting to their environment. Elements are pure substances composed of only one type of atom, such as hydrogen or gold, fundamental building blocks in chemistry. Compounds are pure substances formed by chemically combining two or more elements in fixed proportions, like water or carbon dioxide. Mixtures consist of two or more elements or compounds physically combined but not chemically bonded, such as air or seawater. Scientific notation expresses very large or very small numbers using powers of 10, simplifying complex numerical data in chemistry. Significant figures represent the meaningful digits in a number, contributing to its precision and essential for accurate measurements in chemistry. Precision refers to the closeness of measurements to each other, while accuracy is the closeness to the true value, both crucial in experimental chemistry. The International System of Units, (SI), provides standardized units for measurements in chemistry, such as meters for length and kilograms for mass. Unit conversion involves identifying the initial and desired units, finding the conversion factor, and applying it to obtain the result in the desired units. The law of conservation of mass states that mass is neither created nor destroyed in chemical reactions, ensuring reactants mass equals products mass. Atomic mass is the mass of an atom, expressed in atomic mass units, AMU, crucial for understanding element properties and calculating quantities in reactions. Average atomic mass is the weighted average of all isotopes of an element, calculated using their masses and relative abundances, used in the periodic table. Molecular mass is the sum of atomic masses of all atoms in a molecule, essential for understanding molecular compositions and performing stoichiometric calculations. Formula mass is the sum of atomic masses in an ionic compound's formula unit, used for compounds that don't form discrete molecules, like NaCl. A mole represents the amount of substance containing Avogadro's number of entities, bridging microscopic and macroscopic scales in chemistry. Molar mass is the mass of 1 mole of a substance, expressed in grams per mole, vital for converting between mass and moles in stoichiometric calculations. Mass percent composition is the percentage by mass of each element in a compound, used for determining relative amounts of elements and chemical analysis. The empirical formula represents the simplest whole number ratio of atoms in a compound, determined by calculating moles of each element. The molecular formula shows the actual number of atoms of each element in a molecule, derived from the empirical formula and molecular mass. Stoichiometry involves calculating quantities in chemical reactions using balanced equations, crucial for predicting reaction yields and determining reactant amounts. Balancing chemical equations ensures the number of atoms for each element is equal on both sides, maintaining mass conservation in reactions.